Hi, today I will show you how we can use index and match in this kind of table in which we have the salesperson names and the details of 6 months of sales data. Right? To get more video like this, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at your email. Okay, so here we have this sales people, right? And we want month wise sales data here. Right? If I select, let me put all the salesperson here in the drop down. For that we have to I have to select this cell, and then I will go to data tab, and then I will go to data validation, and then I will click data validation. Here it will ask me what kind of data it will be. It will be a list, and then I will select the data source, and in the data source I will select all the names, and then I will press OK. Now you can see here you will get the data, the salesperson name, right? And what we want all the names or all the data, 6 month data of that particular salesperson if I will select any of them, right? So what I will do, I will use the formula name index and match, right? So here I have to write equal, so all the formula which starts in a cell, it's a start with equal, right? And then index, I will start the bracket. Here it is saying like it needs an array, row number and column number. So I need table array, right? So we will select all the data from here, okay? And then it is saying row number or column number, both it needs. So to get Radhika's January data, what should be the row number? So Radhika is here at number at number 13, right? So to get that number we need to write match function. We will start the bracket, and then we will need the lookup value. So to find the Radhika in the table, what we need a lookup value. So we will select Radhika as a lookup value, because we have to find Radhika in this rows, in all these given rows, right? Then we will put a comma and we will give them lookup array. So we have to give an array to look that particular value, M7 is what? Radhika here at the top, right? And then we will put 0 for the exact match, 1 for the less than, and -1 for the greater than. So name generally is an exact match, so we will put 0. Again this will be a row number. Now what we need a column number. Again we will use the match function. Match, bracket will start lookup value. Now to find a column number, what we need the month, right? We need the month. Then we will put comma, then where it will find this month, it will find this month here, okay, in this lookup array. And then again it is a string, so it will be 0, exact match. We will close this, and we will close the index function as well, and we will press enter. Now you can see this Radhika January data. So January is here and Radhika is here, so it is 45. If I will change it Kapil, it will be Kapil 345 January. But what is the problem here? If I will drag this, it's not going to copy all the thing as it is. It will not going to copy for other months. So what's the problem here? Actually, if you see here, for column number, right, we are getting all the table here, A6 to I20, A6 to I20, but you will, if you will select the second, so it will getting all the data from A7 to I21, so A7 to I21, so it's not going to work. It left the first row. Now if you see the March, so it is A8 to I22, this is A8 to I22, so A8 is here and I22 will be here. Okay, so one by one the formula is moving down, right? Now what we have to do, we have to remove all this. We have to remove all this, and we have to make some changes here. We have to freeze some range here, right? So this is the index function, and this is the table from A6 to I20, right? So we don't want to move this table. This table will be fixed, right? So we need to freeze this range. Okay, so to freeze it, you have to press F4 after selecting that particular range. Next, match M4. M4, where is M4? M4 is this one where Kapil is written. So our lookup value to find the row number will be fixed. All the formula will find the value from here, right? So this also will be freezed, F4. Okay, next, B6 to B20, so it will be B6 to B20, this also will be freezed. So all the formula will, all the rows will find their lookup array from here only to find row number, right? So it will be freezed. Next, L8. So L8 is what? L8. So here January. So when you will find the February data, so you need to move this L8 to L9, L9. And if you want March data, so you need L10. So what is here? You don't, if somebody someone can say that we have to freeze this this lookup value, but we don't need to freeze this lookup value. Why? Because every time we are moving ahead, right? So we need L8, L9, L10, so it needs to be updated, right? And next, the lookup range. So lookup range is here in the in this column, so we need to freeze this as well. Okay, and then when we will press enter, we will get Kapil January 345, but we need other months data as well. So here you will find Kapil January, let's check, Kapil January 345, Kapil February 523, Kapil March 235, April 344, May 656, and June 235. Now let me change it. Bablu is another person, so here 345, then 234, then 435, then 234, then 790 and 342. So in this way you can use index and match function together. So here you can see index, and inside you have used match to find the row number and the column number. So to get an index you need row and column. Either you can put here explicitly or you can get it from using match function. I hope this tutorial helped you, and might be you have learned index and match function. And if you have any query, you can comment inside the video, and I will try to give you I will try my best to give the answer to all of your questions. Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Abhinandan and I am an Excel trainer. If you are willing to learn Excel or advanced Excel, you can connect with me to the given number below in the video. Thank you.